Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and now we will have another video presentation, and this is part of 101 trading tips tutorial. So in this video, we will discuss right now what is order block and a breaker block. So this is part actually guys of smart money concept trading, the order block and the breaker block. So what do we need to know about order block? If you watch our first video about order block, there is a thorough explanation of what is order block. So first of all, we will now move on to our share presentation, and we will discuss now about order block. So order block actually guys is a sample, is what do you call, considered a market behavior that indicates the pile up of orders from bigger institution or from banks. So normally, yan yung mga part kung saan nagte-trade yung mga whales natin, mga big boys, mga banks. Kaya nakakakuha sila ng mas malalaki bulk mga order. At normally doon nagre-reverse sa order block. So we will make a simple presentation for order block, and also we will discuss about the breaker block. So normally ganito ang trend ng market, downtrend tayo. Makikita mo downtrend. And then magkakaroon tayo ng point of interest or area of interest na kung saan ito ay doon din magbabounce ulit ang market. And then it will go down again. Okay? So how do we know the point of interest? And this is what we call the order block. Similar sa ito downtrend, ito uptrend. Okay. If you can see, the retracement here is bigger in the normal retracement. Even here, okay, you can see that there is a normal retracement here, normal retracement here, but a bigger retracement on the part of the order block at the point of interest. But how you will know that this is an order block? So in my previous video, I discussed it, but I will give you a summary about this on this tutorial. So just to make sure that you get the order block, to know the order block, you just need to look for last candle before the break of the structure. As you can see here, there is a break of structure. So meron ditong last close candle, okay, which is a different candle. If it is a downtrend, opposite siya dapat, opposite candle. It should be an opposite candle. If it is it is an uptrend, as you can see, there is a breakup structure here. This is our breakup structure. Later on, I'll discuss it to you. There is a down, immediately retracement and a breakup structure. Definitely, it will go back on this last candle. Okay? So, we'll make it simple. A bullish order block is a bearish bar or candle is formed before an upward move take place. It results in breaking the structure and making a new high or higher high. So for example, on this video, this is a new higher high. Okay? New higher high. There is another new higher high. Now, how do you know that it will come back on this area? Okay, aside from this one, okay, that this is a new higher high and we have a low, it will create a lower low in this area, a higher low. Okay, just check, okay, if there is a bearish bulk candle here. So if this is uptrend, we need to see as a bearish, last bearish bar candle. So normally, okay, if this is mostly green candle, green candle, green candle, you will see one red doji, any bearish candle that been shown on this trend. Okay, and that will be your order block. So every order block, normally, price action will bounce on the new order block. That's the reason this is the simple entry of some user. But take note, guys, not every order block you have to make an entry or trade. You have to know the full concept of smart money trading strategy. Or you can also do another retail trading strategy that has been discussed in my channel. Okay, so this is now our order block. In bearish, also in a bearish scenario, you can see also on this side, just for example, this one, okay, there will be a candle here, okay. See, a bearish order block or a candle is formed before a downtrend move take place, and it is a result in breaking the structure and making a new low. So it will make a new low. So definitely, so normally this will be a mostly red candles, and there will be a different green candle, a totally true opposite of this one that will be shown on this trend, and that will be your possible order block. And of course, as you can see here, there is for the retail trader, they can use it as a support and resistance, okay? But we are using in a smart money concept demand zone or supply zone, okay? Or supply zone and demand zone. So we are not using a support and resistance in smart money. But definitely, there is a similarity, but there is also a difference with the support and resistance. Okay, so I hope this make it clear about the order block. So guys, you can watch the pure video, the full video of about order block on my previous video. So this is only one scenario to show you about the order block. So what is now a breaker block? Okay, a breaker block. So I can delete this now. Okay. So as you can, as I mentioned before, this is a sample of our order block. We have already a order block here. And then after that, normally order block will bounce, or the price action will bounce in the order block. In a different scenario, it will be like this and again bounce. So you can have a buy position here or sell position here. If you are confirmed with other confluence strategy that you know that this is a good for buy position, or you can get another signal. But the breaker block is normally, it will not bounce on this area, rather than it will go down, or vice versa. So meaning, break, it's like a break up structure. So that is a breaker block. Okay, so we will have more example of the breaker block on this area. Okay, yeah, this is a nice example of a breaker block. Okay, so the trend here are downtrend. Okay, and it bounced in our order block here, bounce in order block here. But what happened is there is a break of structure here, and it is called now a breaker. It is can called also as a breaker block. And normally this breaker, this example is part of the liquidity or liquidation process. So what will happen is normally the bigger institution, a lot of traders have a stop loss here. So they will make them liquidate through the more sell position. See, so what will happen here is bigger institution will have a sell position. Okay, and once there is a breaker block, most retail trader will think that, okay, this is still a sell position. Okay, so never go into a sell position kung wala pang, if there is no retest yet. So there is no retest yet. So it can make the price action can go back on the channel kung saan siya gumagawa ng some price action. So after that, guys, this is one sample of our breaker block. And this is one sample of the liquidation that in the smart money concept. Okay, so another example. After that, so definitely there will be more buy position now for the bigger institution on this side. Then also retail traders will come here. There will be now a good bullish scenario on this price action. But another breaker here is another sample of breaker block. After that, you can see now that there is now a retest. They call it some others are call it a retest, and it bounced now to the order block. This is an old order block since here. Okay, so it goes back and bounced back now to order block. There is no breaker already on this scenario. So similar to downtrend, okay, there is a liquidity on this side. So lahat ng may stop loss will have a liquidation here. Okay, so the bigger institution will take a profit on that. Okay, and then another breaker block here. There is a break off structure, and now a retest, and the price now will go down. Okay, so I hope this is just a simple explanation of breaker block. But in smart money concept, there is also a mitigation aside from the breaker block. But we will not discuss this on this video. We'll just make it a simple that the breaker is once the order block has been break. Kaya nga tinawag na breaker. Doon lang tayo sa simpleng explanation. So pwede kang mag-trade here on this scenario. Okay, look for a retest. Always look for a retest. Once there is a break, okay, like this one, it doesn't mean, guys, na ito ay magdediretso na. It doesn't mean that it will be bullish on the next few hours, in the next few days. Still, you need to check a confirmation on this area. There is a probability also that it will become bullish, but you have to check other signals that it's not part of the liquidation process in our smart money concept. Okay, so I hope, guys, this is clear now, our breaker block and the order block itself. Now we will move now to Ethereum just to show you, okay, some example of this one. This is an example of a breaker block, and okay, this is an order block here. We see an order block, and there is a liquidity on this area. So there is a breaker here. Now we need to make sure now. Okay, so this is another break order block. Let's see if this will bounce back here. So you have to check thoroughly. Okay, or if this will be a breaker and another retest here. So that's the possible scenario in our Ethereum using the order block. So if you get this one, okay, you can have a long position on this area. Okay, in this area. And as you can see here, there is a possibility of that it will go back again. Okay, so you have to check all the order block on this scenario. One more thing, another example of breaker. Okay, this one. And this one, as you can see, guys, in a smaller time frame, you will find a retest on this area. Okay, retest and it goes down. So this is a best position for a sell position on this area. Okay, so sell position. Now we have also an order block here, a possible order block. As you can see here, the candle. Okay, we have to remove this. Okay, just the sell. Okay, another order block here. So nagkaroon ng bounce on this area. As you can see, this one. Okay, this is a sample of an order block. So see, this is this is like, okay, it make bounce here. The price action can make bounce, but you can see that there is a breaker also on this area. Okay, there is a possible breaker now on this area. And then we have now a clear order block. Bounce here, bounce here. Okay, so there is a clear order block here. So this is just a sample, guys, of looking for an order block and a breaker. So this is now a breaker with a retest, and you can make a sell position on this side. Okay, so now this is what many people are waiting right now. I got a lot of message regarding my order block indicator. So you can see that we have an order block here, possible order block here. Actually, this is not yet an order block here. Okay. This side, okay, this is also an order block. Okay, and you can see that it on this scenario, there is another order block. Now, we have a good order block indicator. So first, we can use the order block finder by 𝗀𝗵𝗆. Okay, I will post the link below on the description of this video. So I'll just click it. Okay, and as you can see, order block. So this is the new order block. See, there is an order block that I've been used, and it will show the order block confirmation with this indicator. Another indicator is still order block. Okay, MTF order block finder by Empirical FX. Okay, so this one, I'll just click it, and it will make a line for your order block. So this will be an easier for you, and then you can just add your other trading strategy on this order block or other confluence. Some are using volumes. Okay, for the smart money, they are just using the volume. But if you are a retail traders and you have some other indicator that you can use it as well. Okay, so you can see here there is an order block created by this. Okay, created by this indicator. Okay, there is a bearish overblock, and what happened is there is a retest. Okay, retest on this scenario, and then the price goes down. Dump. There is a bullish order block. What happened? There is also a bullish scenario on this part, and this is a signal. Okay, there is no more bullish trend. We have now a bearish overblock. So the good thing here, it will mention the bullish and overblocks. So there are two order block. Whatever you prefer to use, you can use this indicator. So I hope you will definitely enjoy this indicator of order block. So I'll just post it on my description and that's just add it to your favorites indicator in your TradingView. If you are not yet registered in your TradingView, please go also to my referral link of TradingView. Okay, and if you want to practice the charting, okay, and also BingX, if you want to practice your trading, you can enjoy it in BST account. This is a demo account of BingX for trading. Again, I hope you enjoy now, guys, this simple tutorial of order block. And plus, I hope you enjoy also our OB block finder indicator. Okay, and this is a very nice indicator that can help you, especially for those people who are interested to have a strategy using order block and smart money concept. Thank you again for watching here at Earn Money at Home Worldwide.